Every trader starts with excitement. Charts are alive, setups look endless, and the market feels like a puzzle waiting to be solved. You're fueled by curiosity, maybe even obsession, studying patterns late into the night, testing new indicators, watching every tick like it holds the secret. But somewhere along the path, the thrill fades. The process feels repetitive. The trades look the same. The emotions quiet down. And that's the moment most traders get nervous. They think they're losing their edge. In reality, it's the first sign they're finally finding it. When trading starts to feel boring, it means the chaos is settling into structure. You've stopped reacting to every fluctuation and started recognizing familiar behavior. You're not chasing the market anymore. You're observing it, waiting for your moment. That quiet, steady feeling is what mastery looks like. It's not the rush of catching every move. It's the calm of knowing you don't need to. The boredom that used to scare you is actually peace. The space where consistency grows. At first, this transition feels strange because excitement and growth used to go hand in hand. You equated stimulation with learning, but in trading, the deeper the learning, the calmer it gets. The uncertainty doesn't go away. You just stop fighting it. You stop needing the market to entertain you or to validate you. Instead, you show up, do your work, and let probability play out. That detachment is the invisible line between amateurs and professionals. If you've committed to one setup, this phase is where the real work begins. The first stage of mastery isn't about learning something new. It's about refining what you already know. It's uncomfortable because you're no longer feeding your brain new information. You're feeding it repetition. And repetition feels dull. But repetition is also what builds intuition. Each time you take that same setup, win or lose, you're strengthening pattern recognition, deepening context awareness, and hardwiring emotional control. The traders who get stuck are the ones who run from that boredom. They start searching for new setups, tweaking indicators, or adding confirmation. They tell themselves they're optimizing, but what they're really doing is escaping discomfort. They're mistaking emotional stimulation for progress. The truth is, mastery doesn't feel exciting, it feels steady. And most traders never get far enough to experience that steadiness because they keep trying to escape it. When you start to embrace the boredom, something profound happens. You stop needing trading to make you feel something. You don't look for drama in price movement or meaning in every fluctuation. You recognize that your power isn't in predicting the next candle, but in executing the same plan consistently. The excitement comes from execution, not outcome. From seeing yourself trade your plan flawlessly, even through drawdowns. That kind of satisfaction lasts much longer than the thrill of one big win. Boredom also protects your capital, both financial and emotional. It's a quiet reminder that you're sticking to your process, that you're not reacting impulsively. The boredom tells you the process is working. Think about it. Professionals in any field, pilots, surgeons, athletes, perform the same actions over and over until it becomes second nature. Trading is no different. When your process becomes routine, it frees your mind to focus on subtle details, timing, and refinement. That's where true progress hides. If you find yourself thinking, "This is starting to feel repetitive," you're not plateauing. You're stabilizing. You're leaving behind the noise and moving toward precision. Every day that feels uneventful is a small win for your long-term career. You're learning to trade like a business, not a casino. And the better you get, the more you'll crave that calm, that quiet focus where the market feels predictable, not because it's changed, but because you have. So don't chase excitement. Don't mistake boredom for stagnation. That steady rhythm you feel is mastery forming. It's the rhythm of consistency, of structure, of calm execution. When trading feels boring, it means you're finally aligned with what this business really demands: patience, process, and peace of mind. That's when you know you're improving. That's when you're becoming a real trader.